Dear participants of the 11th International Scientific and Practical Conference, Psychological and Pedagogical Problems of the Formation of a Modern Specialist, I have the distinct honor and privilege to represent the esteemed Department of Psychology at the Faculty of Social Sciences of Uzhhorod National University, promoting academic and research excellence. I present to you a report on the topic of attitudes towards the value of life among university students in wartime. Today, for Ukrainian society, in the context of a prolonged brutal war, the issue of the value of life takes on special significance. Along with other psychological resources of the human organism, it is one of the factors that ensures motivation for self-preservation, self-realization, overcoming difficulties, and maintaining mental balance. The depletion of such a crucial resource is often accompanied by debilitating depressive states, pervasive apathy, troubling suicidal thoughts, and various other forms of mental maladaptation. The aim of the research is to study the value of life among university students during wartime and to determine how it affects their mental health and psychological resilience. The comprehensive study was meticulously conducted by administering a series of adapted psychological tests, a detailed life value questionnaire, a brief mental health stability survey, and the Connor 9-10 resilience scale, all via the Google Forms platform during the month of April in the year 2026. Our theoretical research has shown that the value of life is a central psychological category that determines the quality of personal functioning, mental health, and an individual's ability to adapt. It is formed as a complex system of individual characteristics, personal experiences, social environment, and cultural historical context. The value of life serves as an internal psychological resource that reduces anxiety and depression, lowers the risk of suicidal behavior, fosters positive self-perception, and develops adaptive coping strategies. Surveys of university students during the war revealed the predominance of moderate and average levels of life value, with no minimum level present, indicating their existence of life goals, internal motivation, and the ability to find meaning in life amid the challenges of war. The findings presented above strongly suggest that the inherent value of life is foundational to fostering psychological resilience and promoting overall mental health. Further research showed that most students had a high level of mental health at 73.03%, but low scores on its social component, indicating issues with social support during wartime. Additionally, a significant number of students demonstrated above average psychological resilience at 37.08% and high resilience at 24.72%. This indicates a low level of mental disadaptation. A sufficient level of mental health and psychological resilience correlates with median indicators of life value and supports our hypothesis about life value as the foundation of psychological resilience and mental health. The practical significance of the obtained research results is that psychoprophylactic and psychotherapeutic programs specifically aimed at supporting the mental health of university students should, in fact, include essential components that not only support life values, but also incorporate effective stress management skills and the comprehensive development of psychological resilience. This observation is especially relevant during wartime, when the profound questions of meaning and the inherent value of one's existence become particularly acute and pressing for individuals. Thanks for your attention. I wish all conference participants engaging and inspiring discussions, along with great success in their future scientific research and practical endeavors in their respective fields.